Assalamualaikum and hello YouTube, my name is Nur Muhammad from Watch YouTube channel and welcome to another 5 straps fashion show. Alright, so today's subject for the 5 straps fashion show is this very nice Oris Divers 65. And yes, if you guys are new to this channel, my name is Nur Muhammad again, and I review watches under $250 and its accessories. But of course this thing costs a lot more than that, but this is just out of the blue kind of thing. And if if you guys get any value out of this video after you're watching this video, please consider giving it a like, and of course subscribe to my channel. And if you are returning customers or returning subscribers, I should say, thank you very much for everything. Terima kasih, jazakumullahu khairan kathira, share and arigato gozaimasu. So let's get into the video. Right, so first up is this very cool straps from cozy handmade leather straps from Singapore. So I've reviewed these particular straps I think about a month back, and I find that they are very nice straps for the money. Of course, this is a handmade leather, so you can see the build quality of this thing is very nice. Of course, it does cost a little bit. I think it's about $55 here, but the quality that you get and the thickness, you can of course choose the thickness. You can go 3, 4 or 5 millimeters, and you can I think you can just get the color of choice for this particular buckle, but the style is basically it's already fixed. This is a rally style burgundy or a wine color strap, and at the back we have this cozy signature here, and we have a fixed leather keeper here, fixed movable keeper here, and at the back you don't really get that quick release pins whatsoever, but still it is a very nice straps for the money. Right, so let's see how it looks on my 6.75 inch wrist, and boom, so this is how it looks on my skinny wrist. So I've went for the length of a standard length. The longer version is 125 millimeters, and the shorter length of the strap is 75 millimeters. So just nice. So I think it should fit somebody who has a 6.57 inch wrist up until maybe about 7.5. So if you guys, but don't worry if you have a bigger wrist or smaller wrist, you can tell that to the guys at Cozy Leather Straps, and they can make it for you. Right, so this is how it looks on my wrist, and yep, this is how it makes the watch stays flat on my wrist, and I think it looks absolutely awesome. Right, so let's go to strap number 2, which is this whole wheel leather strap from Nomad Watch Strap, or Nomad Watch Works, right? So Nomad Watch Works is a company based in Singapore as well, but they do have a website in Malaysia, and you can always buy from either website. Of course, my discount code will apply to both website as well. Alright, so we have this black colorway. They also have brown, I think so, and we have this white stitching at the end of the strap, and this very simple stitching on top of the strap. Right, again similarly, and this end also we have a similar setting, and we have a fixed or movable keeper here and a fixed keeper here. Unfortunately, the buckle is not signed, and at the back we have a Nomad Watch Works stamp logo stamped inside here, and of course we have that whole wheel leather USA. Right, so I think this gives that the black colorway suits any watch for that matter, but on this particular vintage style strap, vintage inspired watch, so you can, I think it looks absolutely nice. And yeah, we're playing with that deep black color of the Oris Divers 65. Absolutely awesome option in my opinion. So let's just zoom out a bit so you can see how it looks on my wrist, and very nice in my opinion. Right, so let's go to strap number 3, which is another strap that gives this Oris Divers 65 a vintage look. This is the Waffle style strap that I've got from AliExpress, Proxima watch AliExpress store. But you can get this style of strap or rubber strap quite a lot of other websites anyway, so I just got it from there and checked out that waffle pattern up top. So the uniqueness of this particular strap is of course, first, it is made with using a rubber, so it won't it is not a lint magnet. So I've been using this for quite some time now, so you can see there's nothing stuck inside the holes or on top of this pattern here. And of course, those holes are a bit too far away, so it's quite difficult to get a nice fit. But yeah, for a vintage look, you can't really complain. Of course, it doesn't have the quick release pins, and yeah, again, similar escapes here, so that your wrist can, when you are sweating, especially in this hot and humid temperature in Malaysia, you really need these kind of holes, right? So we have two movable keeper here, and we have the same pattern up top, and on the buckle we have a combination of brush and polish finishing, right? So vintage style rubber strap for a vintage inspired watch. So you know what, you can't go any better than that, right? So of course, this one is a dive style strap, so it is going to be longer than usual. So, and yes, you can see that I still have tons of strap balance left. So if you have a smaller wrist than mine, maybe 6 inches up until 8 inches, you still have lots of strap materials left. And of course, if you want to use this on top of your diving suit, it's going to be enough, right? So check out that. All right, so it looks absolutely awesome in my opinion. Yeah, that looks awesome. And of course, it does have that vanilla scent, which is very nice to smell, right? So please don't sniff your strap in front of your friends, right? So you're gonna be looking really weird, guys. All right, so let's go to strap number 4, which is of course my favorite rubber strap of them all. So I can't really say how you know what, this thing is just lovely. So this is the rubber strap, natural rubber strap from Borealis watch company, right? So this looks like an isofrane strap, but it is not. It costs way less than that. I think they are selling this for about $30 or $35, can't remember, but I've had this for about 4 years or 5 years already, and you can see there's nothing to it, guys. There's nothing to this. It is still working well, and it's very soft and supple. It doesn't have that vanilla scent though, but it is very nice. Of course, we have this big holes up top, so easy for ventilation. And again, we have this movable keeper here, and a huge and chunky buckle with that Borealis sign logo up top. And the best part is we have these ridges here, so that when you use it on your wrist, it won't, the watch won't slide around when you are using it, right? So okay, so let's see. All right, so this is how it looks on my 6.75 inch wrist. So you notice that the holes on the strap is very near together, so this gives you a very comfortable fit. There is no holes too far away, that such as this waffle style strap. So the holes is very nice, the pitch between the holes is very nicely put together, so you can have an exact fit on your wrist, right? So let's go to strap number 5, which is my favorite metal strap. So you guys, if you guys is familiar to my channel, so I just love this mesh bracelet from Strapcode. So yep, it is very simple. You just have this movable adjuster here, just hook it up, boom, and definitely it gives that vintage vibe to a vintage inspired dive watch or dress watch or whatever watch that you put it on. And I just love that brushed finishing on this bracelet. Very comfortable and very nice on any watch, in my opinion, right? So if you guys like this kind of video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more feature videos, such as feature video reviews such as this one, and for me, I'm just giving you an idea of how you're going to, dress up or dress down your watch and basically enjoy your watch with strap options that is available in the market right now, right? So thank you very much for watching, guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.